Are you worried about how to pay for college? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into alternative private loans and how they can make your college experience a reality. First, let's break down what private student loans are and how they differ from federal loans. Private loans can offer flexible repayment options and competitive interest rates. The variable or fixed interest rates are dependent on a credit check and sometimes require a cosigner. Unlike federal loans, these loans have no origination fees. So when should you consider a private loan? Private loans can be a great option if you've exhausted federal aid, scholarships, and grants. They can help fill the gap and cover the remaining cost. Private loans often come with benefits like no cosigner required, lower interest rates for good credit, and the ability to borrow more than federal loans. Applying for private loans is straightforward. Compare lenders, check their terms, and apply online. Make sure to read the fine print and understand the repayment terms. Remember, private loans are just one tool in your financial aid toolkit. Do your research and don't be afraid to ask for help. With the right plan, you can make college affordable and achieve your goals. Stop by our financial aid office. We're here to support you every single step of the way.